Hello, my name is Jörg Franz. I am a technician, engineer, and as such open-minded, but also critical of new technologies. Today I am allowed to report to you about the NCT process, a method for drying out damp masonry. We came across this technology in connection with a building over 100 years old, where the basement was damp. The basement apartments were also damp. The walls were damp as well. The plaster was peeling and the air was musty. So definitely a building that needs renovation. We then came across the NCT method. This process is biologically safe without chemicals, which is a very big advantage. The wall is stabilized by the NCT process through the crystallization of water with the activator. The method is cost effective and it is also only applied from the inside. In our case, the wall is being worked on by a company that first did the drying, the horizontal barrier, and also the vertical barrier with a special plaster so that the wall could be handed over completely finished and ready for painting. The costs were absolutely fine. You can definitely call it cost effective. The collaboration with the company Bodum was good.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.